Hey, what's up, YouTube? So today I'm gonna make another video on the fake famous Gohorns because this video didn't scare him, but this one will scare him. This is the next video I'm gonna scare on fake famous Gohorns. So,
Hey, what's up, YouTube?
famous Gohorns
This is me, Maruf.
needs to make a video on the fake. The real famous Gohorns. If you're watching this, make a video on the fake famous Gohorns to scare him.
We're back at it again.
Because
so
he can scare me. And please make a video on the fake famous Gohorns.
So guys,
so here's the fake famous Gohorns. So he stole famous Gohorns video. Here's this video. He stole the famous Gohorns audio clips, and it's really weird. Like on this one, he also stole famous Gohorns. Bro, he needs to come up with his own stuff, man. Imitation. Imitation. I have no problem with imitation, but I do have a problem with impersonation. The fake famous Gohorns. If you don't know how impersonation means, I'll tell you. What is the meaning of impersonation?
Here's the definition of impersonation.
Means an act of pretending
to be another person for the purpose of entertainment or fraud.
He's literally doing this. Man, he needs to come out with his own stuff. You pissed me off, man. You gotta stop. Man, here's what you need to do. You need to delete your channel or create your own content. I stopped impersonating now. I know you're a small channel, but I'm a small channel as well. I'm also a very small channel. I'm not a big channel. I'm a small channel as well. Man, you need to stop. You need Gohorn videos every day, but you don't post every day. Oops. This is incredibly inaccurate. Well, here's the same user. This is the same PG-13 Pokemon. You actually went to the same channel that used to impersonate you. But I'm making a video to scare on the fake famous Gohorns. He needs to come up with his own stuff. Man, the fake famous Gohorns need to stop.
Wondering, the fake famous Gohorns is back.
He's telling the fake famous Gohorns.
And because I just got this note.
The fake elite Gohorns. You know the fake elite Gohorns? Not so elite Gohorns. He's also impersonating elite Gohorns. Elite Gohorn, not so elite Gohorns, and fake famous Gohorns. You both have to stop impersonating the Gohorn makers. Stop, man. Stop. You, man. And you also stole the thumbnails of famous Gohorns. If there's man, I feel so bad for famous Gohorns because he's impersonating. I'm almost laughing at him. Hey, Smokey the Cat, do you have anything to say? Uh-huh. Okay. So Smokey is saying Smokey doesn't talk. He said, if everyone who's watching on Maruf's channel, I mean the fake famous Goldhorns is watching on Maruf's channel, he said, my cat said you need to stop impersonating, right? Yeah, he said yes. If you guys don't know, you can check out my cat's YouTube channel. Like, he hasn't posted yet. Why are you not posting new videos? He said he's taking a break. Yeah, my cat is taking a break from YouTube. But he still will be posting comments. Anyways, hopefully YouTube will look at here's what you need to do. You can report a YouTube channel impersonating. So, if you go to if you click on the flag button, it says report YouTube channel. Then you have to select impersonation. Then there is this channel is impersonating me and this channel is impersonating else. For the real famous Goldhorns, you have to select this channel is impersonating you. The real famous Goldhorns, if you're watching this. But for the rest of the Goldhorn makers, including PG-13 Hockey Man, for all of you guys, it's someone else because yeah. But you have to also copy and paste the username of the fake famous Goldhorns channel. I mean the real famous Goldhorns channel. Because you have to do that because it's famous Goldhorns channel. Okay. So hopefully this video will scare famous Goldhorns, the fake one, and yeah. Like, I'm also watching a Bruins versus Pittsburgh Penguins game. Before I end the video, I'm watching a hockey game right now. I will show you. I'll turn off my screen recording. I'll unpresent my screen. See? The Boston Bruins scored a point. Like I'm a Bruins fan, and N2B is a Bruins fan. But the fake famous Goldhorns, like, I'm not sure. Is he a Bruins fan too? I'm not sure. I'm not sure why Tuukka Rask is playing. Why he's only Halak. Anyways, see you next time. Like, Halak, if you're watching this too, Brad Marchand, you should do the same thing. The Bruins players, you should all do the same thing to the fake famous Goldhorns for impersonation. Bye.